Alright, we're going to disassemble a contractor saw arbor in order to replace the bearings. We first start by removing the arbor, the nut that secures the shaft to the inner bearing. For this, we're just using a standard 7/8 inch socket. Okay, after remove the nut, then we're going to remove the inner nut, and this is a special tool for removing the inner nut. It's a pin-type spanner wrench, and once that's loosened, you can also use a screwdriver for this if you have one. They'll fit into that groove. Sometimes damage them doing that though, so it's best if you have a special tool like this, which I developed myself, to use that. Alright, once that's out, then you can take a soft base rubber mallet, remove the arbor itself. Once the arbor is removed, make sure you save the wave spring and the spacer, and then you want to work on removing the bearing. For this, I have another special tool that removes the bearing. Wipe this out. And you'll notice this is set up specifically for this type of saw. It will do also unisaw arbors. And we'll put that in. And once it's tightened, we use just a crescent wrench to turn it. And you can see it. You can also use a bearing puller if you have one appropriate size to pull the bearings off. This is the gentlest way of doing it. And there are two fits. One fit is looser than the other, and you can just use your rubber mallet generally and drive that one out. Sometimes you may have to put it back into the puller, which I think I'm going to have to do. That's about a 1/2 thousandths different in those fits, so that one will slide, but it's not cooperating today. So put it in there and run that off by hand. Okay, once you remove these bearings, you can discard them. Now we have one bearing left to remove, and that's the bearing that's in the arbor housing itself. And for this, since we're not saving this bearing, we use a hammer and drive it, hit it, strike this piece of pipe and drive it out. That bearing is removed. Everything's all set to rebuild the saw now.